Watch me transform my brows from this to this. If you want to see how I created this, stick around and watch the video till the end. This is my updated eyebrow tutorial. The first thing I do is I apply foundation to my brows. This is just to lighten the brows even before drawing the brows with the brow pencil. And I just set the foundation down with my loose powder. I'll be using Davis pencil in the color 18, and I'll be using a spoolie. So the first thing I do is I line the bottom part. I just line the bottom part out and just follow your hair, follow where your eyebrow and the natural arc, the shape you have. And I'll do the same. What I do is I do one step on the other eyebrow. I do the other step. So if there's any mistake, it's easy for you to see the mistake from the very beginning and correct it. So I'll be doing the top part now. And if you notice, I'm not drawing the brows from the very beginning of where my hair starts, because I'll be doing something else there. So I'll just just watch what I'm doing. And so I'm repeating the same thing on the other side. Draw the brows. When you get to your natural arc, you curve it down and make sure the line on the top meets the one you already drew on the bottom part. Still be using the same pencil. Just fill the space and fill the brows lightly. It's a new year. I didn't even greet you guys. Happy New Year. Welcome to 2020. I hope this year is amazing to each and every one of you watching this video. So I'm just going to fill that part. And I'll brush through with the spoolie to just lighten everything up. And I'll be doing the beginning part of the brows. I'll just be flicking it up with a very sharp, make sure the pencil is very sharp to do this, to just give it that fake hair-like look, and it looks more natural and it looks really nice. And I'll brush it with my spoolie as well. To clean out the brows, I'll be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I'll be using an angled brush. So I start with the arc for one eyebrow, and I do the same thing for the other eyebrow. I do the arc first before I clean out, the rest. Why I'm doing this is because it's easier for you to correct if there's any mistake, if there's any error when you're do one step here, do the other step here. So that's what I'm doing. If you notice, this particular eyebrow that I'm working on now looks slightly thicker than the other one, so I'll just adjust that with the concealer. That's what I'm doing now. Just adjusting. And once I'm done with that, I'll be blending it with that blending brush. Blend the concealer in to the skin. The whole purpose of blending is so that there's no white cast underneath or a very sharp line, or people can see where you applied concealer. No. Blend everything, and I'll blend the center and blend the beginning part to just fade it out a little bit and to make it look more natural. I noticed that particular eyebrow, I overblended it, so I'm going back to flick it with my pencil. So eyebrows are looking good, and I'll be setting it with the same powder I used to set the foundation I applied on my eyebrows before. So I'll just set it, so I'll set the concealer so that it doesn't move throughout the day. And here is what it looks like. This is the final look. Yes. Light brown brows. I do hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed this video and you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed so you do not miss out on any of my uploads. Share this video with your friends, your family, everyone around you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.